Good morning students, I am Virendra sir. Welcome again with our new video. So today I am going to teach you class 4 social chapter 7 India climate. Okay, so today we are going to learn the climate of India, about India. Okay, so India is home to variety of climate regions. It's the home of varieties of climate conditions. Okay, because it has desert area, Himalayan mountain area. So these two things affect the differences of climate. Okay, so these two geographical conditions of the India is variety. It has varieties of climate condition. Okay, so we get weather information through the television, newspaper, and radio. Okay, so many things we can get weather information or day-to-day weather information about. Okay, so what is weather? Weather is day-to-day change in the atmospheric condition. Okay, weather is day-to-day change. Okay, so weather can change each hour. Okay, day-to-day, each day or each hour it can be changed. But here climate. So climate is an average atmospheric condition of an area over a long period of time. Climate is what? An average atmospheric condition of an area over a long period of time. Okay, this is the difference between weather and climate. Okay, so you may have felt in our area also many types of climatic conditions. Sometimes we are feeling very hot, sometimes we are feeling very cold, sometimes it is rainy everywhere. Yes, when we feel very hot, what we do? We like to have some cold things like cold drinks, ice cream, right? And when we have very cold, that time we would like to have some hot drinks, no, like tea, coffee. Okay, so this is the changes of the weather and climate conditions. Okay, so here in our India we feel four major seasons in India. Okay, four types of major seasons we have. The first one is the cold weather season. It's called winter. It's high December to February. Okay, cold weather season, which is called winter season. Okay, so this season we can feel in the month of December to February. Okay, so here we have four types of major seasons in our India. Hot weather season, winter, hot weather season, summer, which falls on March to mid-June. Okay, and southwest monsoon, which is also called rainy season. Okay, it falls on mid-June to September. And fourth season of retreating monsoons, which is also called autumn. It falls on October and November months. Okay, so let us see one by one. What is winter season? In winter season you have felt very cold. Okay, and this season days are shorter and nights are longer. Okay, days are shorter and nights are longer. And in this season we like to have hot drinks. Okay, hot drinks like tea, coffee. We like to eat hot things. Okay, in here January is the coldest month in our India. Okay, this winter season falls on December to February, but the January is the coldest month among these 3 months. Okay, so next is our hot weather season, summer, which falls on March to mid-June. So here, during summer season, the general weather remains hot and dry almost throughout the country. Okay, throughout the country, it's remain dry and hot weather season. We feel very much hot. Okay, as we sweat out also. Okay, so this time we need fans, something cold drinks to eat and something ice cream to eat. Okay, so in this season, very hot air is blowing. Okay, which is also called Lu. You know that hot Lu. What's Lu? Lu means what? Hot air. Okay, it comes from the west side. Okay. Dust and storms are common in this season. Dust and storms are common. Dust sometimes with air, so fast dust and air is coming. Okay. So in this season, tourists and many people would like to visit the hill stations because in hill station they feel very cold. Okay. So next, let us see. Rainy season. Okay, so rainy season is from mid-June to September. Okay, this season is having too much rain everywhere. Okay, which blow the sea to land. Okay, so this monsoon season is coming from sea to land and starts raining in our land area. Okay, which is coming from the Arabian Sea and also the Bay of Bengal. Okay, this monsoon sea is coming. Okay, the Malabar coast is the first to get rainfall from the monsoon winds. Okay, Malabar coast, which we have studied in previous chapter. Okay, in our India, this Malabar coast falls this first rainfall. Okay, and monsoon is the in Meghalaya. Mansaranvaram in Meghalaya gets maximum rainfall in our area. Okay, this is our rainy season. Okay, so next is our monsoon, autumn. Okay, autumn. Okay, so this autumn was in October and November month. Okay, these 2 months having, it is called also retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon is what? The rain started something again it's coming. Okay, the southern parts of India, partially in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive the rainfall again. Okay, that's why it is called retreating monsoon. Okay, as the climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic of monsoon. Okay, which means seasonal reversal of the winds. Okay, due to India's location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. Agriculture in India is dependent only in monsoon season. Okay, so let us see now the factors affecting climate. Okay, so let us now see the factors affecting climate. Okay, so here are the 3 factors, main factors which affect the climate changes. Okay, which affect the climate changes in our area. So these are location, altitude, and distance from the sea and relief. Okay, location means what? India, we have 2 types of lines in our globe. We can see longitude and latitude. So this, according to the location, also this affect our Indian climate. Okay, so next altitude. Altitude is what? Height from the sea level. Okay, so from the sea level, according to how much distance is coming, so that climate also is changing according to this altitude. Okay, so here distance from the sea and relief. So distance also is very big affecting the climate. Okay, so in our India, Jaisalmer and Bikaner in Rajasthan are very hot. But Dras and Kargil in Jammu Kashmir are freezing cold. Okay, it's very cold in India. So here we can get in cold area is Jammu and Kashmir and hot area Jaisalmer and Bikaner. Okay, and coastal places we have mid type of climate. Okay, like Mumbai and Kolkata. Okay, so the coastal places, seashore side. Okay. Then we have here moderate type of climate, means what? Not very hot nor very cold. Okay, so they are neither too hot nor very cold. Okay, so being the coast, these places are very humid. Because of the humid, we feel here moderate type of climate. Okay, so Mount Seram in Meghalaya reaches maximum rainfall. We already learned it. Okay, so this was our chapter 7 Indian climate. Okay, I hope you understand nicely. So for better understanding, you read the books, read the chapter again and again, and see the watch the video again and again and try to understand. Okay, so thank you.